Whoever invents an exercise pill that you can take instead of working out is going to be the richest person on earth. And we might be getting closer to that day right now. Science Alert says that scientists identify natural protein that mimics the effects of exercise in animals. And this article from Science Alert goes on to say, what if you could get a lot of the benefits of exercise without moving a muscle? A class of naturally occurring proteins called cestrins might be able to mimic such metabolic effects, a new study suggests, although so far the results have only been observed in mice and fruit flies. An instant exercise pill for humans is still some way off, so don't give up your gym membership yet, but the new findings could further research into helping the physically impaired and injured keep their bodies in healthy shape. So yeah, of course, this has medical applications first for people who need it a little more. However, it would be great if we could all be healthier and more fit because of some kind of exercise pill like this. Why not? We do it in all other kinds of applications, so I don't really have a problem with that. It doesn't mean anything. It means that we can actually do more. Because if you can cut working out of your schedule, or you can do it a little bit less, and you can still have all those benefits for your cardiovascular system and being lean and being healthy and more free of disease, then I say why not? I think it's great. And so the article goes on to say that during experiments, a team led by researchers from the University of Michigan found that suppressing cestrins in flies and mice had a negative impact on how effective their exercise was. But by increasing cestrin levels, the test subjects got some of the benefits of exercise without actually doing any. I'm going to read that again. The test subjects got some of the benefits of exercise without actually doing any. So you see a lot of infomercials out there about like those kind of bands that vibrate to like work out for you and all kinds of gadgets like that that probably don't really work at all. However, this kind of pill that gives you more cestrins, I guess, does actually work, at least in mice. And who knows, it might work in humans too. So when this thing first comes out, it might sound like one of those gimmicky, not working things that are already out there. However, it seems like this would actually be effective, which is pretty exciting. So this says cestrin upregulation mimics both molecular and physiological effects of exercise, suggesting that it could be a major effector of exercise metabolism, write the researchers in their published paper. And then it goes on to say that the effects seem to go beyond endurance too. Another experiment on mice showed that animals without cestrin didn't get the same boost in aerobic capacity, respiration, and fat burning usually associated with exercise. So at the very least, these studies show that cestrins are really important, or probably are really important, when it comes to feeling the effects of exercise and getting the benefits out of it. And in the best case scenario, maybe we can make that into some kind of pill that gives us more cestrins and either increases the effectiveness of our workouts or can work out for us, which would be great. And then it says, in a related study on mice, produced in collaboration with some of the same researchers, the overexpression of cestrin was shown to also help combat muscle atrophy. So cestrin treatments could potentially be used to protect broken limbs inside casts, for example. So it kind of stops your muscles from atrophying if you're not using them. One application that immediately comes to mind for this is astronauts. Maybe astronauts can take this cestrin dose and maybe their muscles won't atrophy so much in space. Maybe this will help us when we're going to Mars, for example. So this has applications obviously beyond just taking a pill and getting ripped, which I'm all for actually. I would love that. It could also help us not lose so much muscle mass when we're in space. And I don't know if it has anything to do with your bones or not, but maybe there's something similar that can help protect our bone mass as well. So this says that these findings could be helpful in care for the elderly, the researchers point out, enabling older people who aren't as mobile as they used to be to still get some of the same benefits as they would from hitting the gym twice a week. And of course, there's no evidence yet that any of these effects can be replicated in humans, though it has been well established that our muscles produce more cestrin during exercise, so there's enough here to warrant future research. So there's no exercise magical pill quite yet. that may happen sometime in the future, or hey, maybe we're just all going to have bionic bodies and just have our consciousness downloaded into them. Or maybe we're going to all live in a kind of Sims universe where we don't have this physical body to worry about and we can just be ripped if we want anyway, or we can be a dragon or whatever it is. So I don't know what the future is going to hold, but no matter what, I'm sure it will be exciting. And hey, if they ever do come up with an exercise pill that can just make you rip by taking it with no negative side effects, I'll be the first in line to take it, unless, of course, other people need it more than me, then I'll be after them, the first to take that pill. And with that, I'm Jim Wolf. I post one of these videos every single morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. So if you enjoyed this video, I post another piece of intellectual dark chocolate for you every single morning that you can enjoy while you get ready for work or school if you want. And so either way, I hope to see you in the next video as well. And with that, I'll talk to you later.